Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday, the day after St. Patrick's Day. Did you have too much green beer or Irish whiskey? Just asking. All right. Yesterday, I prepared corned beef. Surprise. I did my corned beef in the oven. Several people that I have chatted with have never heard of actually roasting a corned beef. It turned out fantastic. So tender. Wow. Yeah. I served that with a parsley sauce and crushed new potato col cannon. Wonderful meal. Absolutely a wonderful meal. Yeah. Okay, today I'm doing Mongolian beef 3. This is the third Mongolian beef recipe I have tried over the last 11 months, whatever, how long I've been doing this on this marathon. So, let's get to it. Simple hardware. We got a wok, and we got my container, my vessel for rice. We're starting off with some beef. Yes, Mongolian beef. Got to have some beef. I'm adding onion, which I'll slice. There's brown sugar, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, cornstarch. Since I can't find the dried red Asian peppers, I'm going to be using red chili flakes. There's green onions. Of course, olive oil. Salt, pepper. I know, I'm dancing around. Sorry. And there's the long grain white rice. Do you know the difference between scallions, green onions, and spring onions? I'm sure most of you do. But think about it. Scallions and green onions are the same thing. Just two different names. Spring onions, actually, they look like a green onion, but they're actually more bulbous on the end. Because spring onions are actually onions, but they're picked in early spring. Yeah. You don't see spring onions very often, at least not in around my neck of the woods. So, there's your little tip for the day, or information for the day, or trivia. Yeah. So, on this beautiful Monday, I'm playing weatherman, because I'm looking right up my sliding glass door. It's going to be sunny, and it's supposed to be like 77, 78 degrees today here in Sutter County, Northern California. I might have to put some shorts on. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.